Hi, welcome back. Good news for me today. I got my Sears RoadTalker back. I had it repaired. I sent it out about 6 weeks ago and it came back and it's working great. I have my receipt here. For repairs for it, it came to $65, which is, just an outstanding deal. I could not find anyone to repair this radio. I've looked like the past year to find somebody, and I was talking Skip one day to someone in Southern California, and they had a local shop that I think he said he's sent like 6 radios to. So I thought I'd share this with you. The name of the shop is Superior CB, and it's in Ontario, California. No way I'm being paid to promote this or anything, but I was very impressed with the turnaround and the cost for it. Like I said, it was $65, and looking at the receipt, it looks like he had to replace the PLL IC and burnt switching transistor. So he did that and it came back. It's as good as new. So let's go over and take a look at it. All's looking good with the radio. We turn it on. Looks like Skip's going on right now. So let's go ahead and do a radio check and see how we're sounding. 999 British Columbia. This is 595 Northern Nevada. Waving our hand.
Alright, 170 and 595 here, both you guys. Alright, nothing heard back there. 595, I believe Nevada. Sounding good up here. 999 British Columbia.
999 British Columbia. You're sounding great here. I just had my radio repaired and just checking to see how it sounds.
Other than that, man, you got a good strong signal, good strong audio. It's working well.
Yeah, you're sounding right on frequency here. So just wanted to say a quick hi. I've talked to you before. And have yourself a good day. 595 Northern Nevada, standing by.
Alright, 595, I can't really copy you. There's several people trying to get back to me, and unfortunately all I'm hearing is, just a lot of stuff all going on at the same time. So, 595 sounding good up here out of Nevada. You're staying cool, and I know you guys have some serious water situations going on down there. It's a big problem, so I hope it's not too badly affecting you. 595, take care. Best wishes from British Columbia. This is 999. We're going to get back on the side.
It actually came back yesterday. I think I said it came back today. It was yesterday. And as you can see by the report I just showed you, it's sounding pretty good. I was able to have quite a few Skip contacts last night. The past couple days have been great. I had some chatter from Australia. I wish I would have had this radio repaired by then. I have a feeling that I probably could have made a contact. But last night I was hearing New York, up on the upper East Coast, and I actually made a contact in Jamaica, my first contact with Jamaica. I wish I would have had the camera rolling to share that with you. But I'm thrilled with the radio. Like I said, this is my favorite radio I've ever had. It receives well, it transmits well, and that the frequency is spot on. So like I said before, if you need a good repair shop that's honest and high quality work, I would recommend. Chris is his name, and he is the owner of Superior CB, and it's in Ontario, California. So thanks for watching. Happy contact with your Skip. It's rolling again this afternoon, so I think I'm gonna go out there and, well, it was a minute ago, so I'm gonna go out there and see if I can make some more contact. So Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time.